Alright, Hugo. It's almost my time, brother.
Good luck.
My time to be in the cars, guys. I'm scared.
Part 2.
I don't know if we get to pick what car we get to go in, but I'm gonna try to pick like one of the Mustangs or the Supra. I don't know what else. Did you go?
Dude, I did.
What car did you go in?
I went with James.
Oh, that's
bro.
sick, bro.
Bro, right-hand drive Mustang. That was insanity.
Somebody's getting in there right now. Uh-oh. You
Put
have
me in the driver's seat.
This is tripping, bro. You have to get in a Mustang. Do not get in the second one, brother.
Bro, I'm scared. I want to go on something sick, bro.
I mean, they're all pretty sick, bro. Even the E46.
Yeah, they're all sick.
The S, what is it, the S15?
Just to be in one of these cars is crazy.
Yeah, it's insane.
When do you ever get to do this, bro? Alright, guys. Let's see what car we're going. This is gonna be crazy. Thank you. Oh my god.
You don't say. All I'm getting is fucking some guys. Put your hands up. It's like a roller coaster. We're getting real acquainted, bud.
Craziest experience of my life, dude. Oh my, those cars are so fast. It happened so fast. I was trying to record for you guys, but I was also trying to just enjoy the moment. Like, that is insane, dude. I'm so glad I got to ride in one of the Mustangs too. I think those are the craziest drivers, them three. I was trying to ride with Adam Z, but it's so hard. Everybody wants to ride with Adam Z, obviously. Still, just being in any of these cars is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, bro. That was sick. This is crazy, bro. I'm gonna try to finesse my way in one more time. I don't know if it is possible to go again, but I'm gonna try it. Look at Paulie. That's wrong.
That shit was wild, dude.
Bro, this is crazy. Insane, bro. I've never been bad to me like that. That's crazy. We're pretty close. Yeah, bro. The car feels good? Yeah, car feels good. Made a couple of changes, but we're good. This just sounds crazy. I didn't know who you were in the helmet. I know, he's not gonna recognize me. That was sick though. I've never been in like that crazy of a car, bro. That was insane. But yeah, guys, this is Rome's E36. You guys remember Rome probably. Sam built him his other practice car. He has two E36s actually. This thing is sick though, guys. LS, supercharged. That was insane. And yeah, fun fact, Rome is actually the one who built my roll cage in my E46 M3. So you see this roll cage? He built it himself, and we put the same cage in my car. So he's not only a Formula Drift driver, but he's also a welder, fabricator, all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty sick. And it's dope we got to ride with him. We got 2 ride-alongs. You're only supposed to go 1 time, but I finessed my way to get 2 of them just for you guys. Woo! That was insane. Look who it is. Hi. How are you? I've seen you.
What the fuck are you doing here?
Well, Andy's here. He's about to interview the Rockstar Supra. That's sick.
Freddie's back-to-back defending champion.
He is, bro. He's one of the best ones.
Yeah, I
Must be nice.
Before I came here, but
but that's sick. We ran into Andy here.
hell yeah, bro.
Did you go in it though?
Yeah, I went in.
Sick,
It's running the factory engine.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's
Oh, is it really a BMW
That
motor?
is the BMW or Toyota, whatever you want to call it, engine. It's
No
been
way.
fully rebuilt by Papadakis Racing.
I thought he was doing 2JZ, but it's not. Damn, he kept the motor with the single turbo.
Big old turbo though.
That's crazy. I literally thought it was 2JZ. Oh, stay tuned for Andy's interview.
Stay tuned. This interview's coming soon.
This is such a sick experience, guys. Bro, I went twice.
I know, I didn't see you there.
I finessed my way in. I was like, I haven't went.
Who'd you go with?
With Rome, the E36. It's funny because he did my roll cage, remember? I was trying to talk to him. He's like, "Well, I couldn't hear you inside." But after we parked it now, I told him. He's like, "Oh, it was you? I didn't even know." But that shit was so crazy. I just watched back the footage of when we were following the other car, like the tandem. You cannot see anything. I don't know how the back driver like doesn't hit like anything. He doesn't crash. He can't see nothing, bro. There's so much smoke. I feel like I was so close to the car in front, like I could touch him, bro. Like, oh my god, that was crazy. You saw us fly by?
Yeah. I wanted to get it on the phone, but I was like, I'll just try to get it for the vlog.
We came by fast?
Yeah, you guys were smashed. I was like, for sure Nick's scared in there.
That shit was sick. I'm so hyped that we got to do that. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Smash the like button right now if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And maybe we'll come back this weekend and watch more drifting, even though we got pretty much the full experience today.
Yeah.
We don't even need to
You
come
got
back.
like the max experience.
Yeah, that was insane, bro. I got to be inside of a drift car. 1,000 horsepower cars. I'm so glad I got to do 2.
And it was the newest Mustangs.
The newest Mustangs.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.